Okay, welcome back. So today we're going through the sales bot. Now we're going through not the VoIP version, but the web version of what is a sales bot. So this is going to be a live demonstration. I'm going to talk about what it is and how it works, why people need a sales bot rather than just a chat bot. And then we're going to go through a little bit of the technology in sense of what it can do and how it can be customized for every company. Alright, so what are sales bots? So sales bots is a combination of technology. It's a interactive experience with the user. We have two versions. We have a web version and we have a VoIP version, which both work using very similar technology and using the same ideas. So first of all, we're talking about the web version today. So the web version uses voice recognition to understand the user. So this bot is not just something static, it's something you talk to, it responds, it's a whole conversation what happens here. It uses a variety of technology from intent analysis, sentiment analysis to understand the user. So it uses this information to make decisions about what to say next. What is the user trying to say and what should it say next to the user? What question should it ask the user to learn more information? The last part is that it's using information extraction to learn about the user. So we can extract, for example, hi, my name is Scott. Okay, the system knows my name is Scott. The bot may ask, so what industry are you in? Oh, I'm in informatics. Okay, so now I can extract and start learning about the user to optimize the experience for the user. It uses a continual learning methodology. And what I mean by that is as every user talks to the bot, it can get smarter and smarter. So we use this as a continuous loop to get the optimal experience for all users. And it can use a series of other technology for optimizing the experience, such as reinforcement learning and other aspects, so it gets smarter and the user has a much better experience every time they talk to the bot. And obviously the bot never sleeps. So the bot is there for the user whenever the user needs to go through a system. So I want to go over why this is different to a chatbot. So your chatbot is something that you'll see very often. You can go in and you can select some options, you might be able to type to it, and that's great. It's great for a user interactive experience to get some questions, learn out basic features, and establish a baseline with the user. Now the sales bot is different. The sales bot takes the user on a custom journey rather than just asking questions. So it's asking questions to learn to create a journey for the user, to really lead them through the processes. So a chatbot is responsive, where the sales bot is leading and creating a journey for the user. The same as you would have a salesperson do. Your salesperson would understand about the customer and would take them on a journey for each customer, in enriching their experience and customizing it for that user. They are designed to reflect business transitive value. Now what I mean by that is every product solves a problem. Your customer has a current situation they're in. They come to your site, they're motivated. The sales bot will interact with them with the ultimate objective to show them what is their current situation and what are they going to gain by using your product or service. So it's all about that sales methodology, all about establishing what's going to happen by using your product, and then obviously all the benefits which go along with that story. And the best thing is it interacts with the website. So it can perform live demos, it can show people different parts of the website, it can highlight, it can do videos, any aspect that you want, it can show you. So what I'm going to do now is show a live demo of the sales bot. Now this demo is just put together to show you the features and how you can interact with it. It is not intended to be selling anything, it's just an experience to get an idea and to discuss in this video about how you could potentially use these sales bots on your website or in VoIP.
Okay, so now we're going through the demo. We can see the little man calling. This logo will obviously change and be customized for each customer.
Hi, I am an AI sales bot. So, I am really excited about showing you around. For the best experience, you will need to talk to me. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
When you have a moment, I would recommend you have a look at this video. It explains a lot about our direction in the R methodology. Currently, we are using the system to make thousands of AI calls and online interactions daily. So, before I dive deep into it all, can I ask if you know what chatbots are?
Yes, I do.
Great, so I won't get into that. But, sales bots are very different. They are based on achieving an objective to explain to the user how something works, appealing to their emotional side and guiding them through an experience. I am going to demonstrate some features here. Ready?
Yes, I am.
First, we can highlight any element on your website. As you can see, I am highlighting the solution option here, so we know what we are talking about. I also can redirect to another page, fill in forms, collect information from the user. As well, interface with your JavaScript. These are just a few of my web functions. Let's go over the script features. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Our script manager learns about customers' interaction and gathers information, allowing for every customer to have a unique and customized flow. As well as perform functions on the back end to learn more information or perform actions such as API calls to assist the user. Not only that, we use AI to perform automated path A/B testing to get the optimal experience from the users, really leading to an amazing interactive experience, as well as many voices to use. We have seen over 400% ROI with some customers. Would you like to book a meeting and learn more?
Yes, I would. And now we're on the meeting page. So the system understood that I went to the meeting and took me to book a meeting with myself.
So in this demo, we showed a few aspects. We showed how the sales bot can interact with the website, highlight certain elements. It can fill in the forms. It can redirect you to different pages within your website and then continue talking. And it also can talk, perform an action such as redirect to another page. And in this case, we saw it redirect to a calendar meeting. So that allows us to have a good call to action, a audio interactive call to action. So a different approach. The other thing that the options that exist is there's many different conversations that could be had. I could have said yes, I understood the sales bots, or no, then maybe it would have explained to me more about what a chatbot was and how it differed. But in this case, I understood what a chatbot was, so I didn't have to go into that level of conversation. The other aspects is that it could have used different voices, or it could actually use a recorded voice. So you can actually set up a series of complex paths and scripts and then pre-record it with a voice that you think is going to sell and convert for you. So, obviously people realize that this is not a human. Well, maybe some people do, but as I said, it's to get a full interactive experience. So if you want to know more, or if you'd like to test this out on your product or service, feel free to get in contact with me. And soon we're going to have a new version out. This version is just an earlier version for demonstration purpose, but as I said, it's currently live on the VoIP. So if you have VoIP inbound or outbound, or if you're looking for a highly interactive web experience, get in contact and let's explore the sales bot together and get a great result for you.